Today I'm very excited to let you all know about this lip balm I made at home. As you know, in our series of home detox, we have been replacing everyday products with natural, safe alternatives. And today it's all about lip balm. I'll show you how simple it is to make it at your own home. But first, subscribe my channel so you can get advantage of everyday products I'm sharing. So let me ask you, why would you knowingly put toxins on your lips? Lip balms and lipsticks are things we use every day and maybe multiple times. And for our daughters as well, we're just exploring all the makeup and lip balm and self-care, something they use even more often. Most store-bought products are filled with chemicals, preservatives, and synthetic fragrances. And because lip balm goes directly on your lips, some of it gets absorbed and some even gets swallowed. That's when I thought, if I don't feed my daughter something toxic, why should I let her wear something toxic? Same goes with us also. So that's why I started making my own lip balm, and trust me, it's so easy and it's so safe. I just made it in this small bottle, and it feels wonderful to know exactly what's going on in my body, and it's very soft, and I've used all natural ingredient like beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, and beetroot. And see here, I'm applying also. It's so smooth and refreshing. So let's begin, and I'm going to show you how I made it. So I used 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This is the Nutiva brand, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa butter. Any organic brand is good. This gives really good smooth texture. And 1 tablespoon of shea butter. It's rich in vitamin A, E. It's perfect for healing lips. I'm using Om Botanical one. And the other thing I used is beetroot powder to give nice color. It gives really natural pink tint. I used this organic beetroot powder which was available at home. And 1 teaspoon of shea butter. You can use 1 tablespoon for extra firmness, but I want a little softer one, so I used 1 teaspoon of shea butter. And this essential oil is optional. I would prefer not to use, but if you like some fragrance in your lip balm, then you can use a drop, just a drop of essential oil. And all you have to do is just use this double boiler method and melt all the ingredients except beetroot powder and essential oil. So beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil. I am melting everything here. Just keep stirring it till it's totally dissolved, and make sure it's not too high. Your stove temperature is like medium or medium low, and if you feel it's getting really hot, just take it out from the pan. All you have to do is just dissolve everything and mix everything thoroughly. So sometimes it takes longer for the beeswax to melt. So that's what I'm trying to melt the beeswax now. And see, I put off the gas later on. Just wait. Yeah, the gas is put off. So it is going to melt on its own now. It's very easy, guys. All you have to do is just mix all the ingredients, do the double boiling method, and then that's it. So here I'm using these small cute containers which I bought from Amazon, and it's very convenient to use the lip balm with the container than the lipstick, like empty the lipstick, or you can use the lipstick container as well. But I like this. I like to apply with my fingers. So add the beetroot powder. You don't have to add everything together. Just keep stirring and keep adding little by little this beetroot powder. And this is also optional. If you don't want any color, you can just use all the 3 ingredients and you're good to go. So here I'm melting everything together, I mean mixing everything together. So that's all. You can add essential oil at this time when the mixture is little cold now. I mean it's not that hot, so but again it's optional. So that's all, it's ready. And now pour the mixture into the small mason jar and let it set for a few hours or maybe like 30 minutes in the refrigerator. So your nourishing, natural and this tinted lip balm is ready as soon as you add this essential oil. Here I forgot to add the essential oil earlier, so now when I remember I'm just adding a few drops. 1 or 2 is enough. So do try out this recipe guys and enjoy this recipe and share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel for more home detox DIYs. And just mix it thoroughly if you put the essential oil towards the end. So I'm letting it set for 15 to 20 minutes. And so the best part of this lip balm is it's completely safe, toxin free, and it makes a really wonderful gift for your friends or your family. So that's all for today. See you next time. This is Rashmi from My World of Wellness signing off. Hope to see you for my next video for more DIY. Thank you for watching.